When this with the B, you don't gotta force it. I just been shopping, I think I need more. These niggas my sons, but I shit got abortions. I've been finesse till I came up a fortune. I can't stop till I'm back in the portion. Married to money, we never divorced. Can't chill by yourself, you gon' call reinforcements.
Oh, what's up YouTube? It's your boy RonDaGreat back in another video, and yeah, I just wake up, like, I literally just wake up and you know, like, start, why me I them look so pro. Alright, so basically we're gonna do like a in my day, life in my day with one. But I just sketch up some vlog, you see me? But yeah, so after this, after I'm done talk to you and things, like all are fresh. Doing all are fresh now. We're not gonna see everything overall, but anyways, more to like the video, subscribe, leave a comment, turn notification bell, you see me? It's around how much? Okay, I will turn up to about 6:03. I don't know if you can see it. It's blurry, but anyways, I use the phone of my girlfriend give me record and 7 for voice thing. But after I'm done, I stop use this because the SE, the voice thing for the SE good. The mic, yeah, I don't know. I don't look in my. I not even remember what name, but in my life or whatever I did in my life, you see me. So we just catch clippings and everything and such and such. So make sure to watch the video, watch the ads, like the video, you see me. Road to 4K. We just need about like 500 more. So and you get me the look of 500 more every time when I unsubscribe, bro. Like, I only expect me to reach 500 if we keep on the unsubscribe. But long story short, we'll cut this because time I move fast right now. Yeah, so basically what I'm gonna do after this now, I put my phone like in a time lapse. Why am I head look, sir? Before I put my phone in a time lapse, I press my uniform, clean up in a moment and shit. So we're not gonna see that, you see me. So by the time I'm done, yeah. So I drop this in a time lapse for. Girlfriend that text me. She's cute. Just want some more. Can't make no think say YouTuber great, you know. YouTuber, you know, have money. You see what kind of brand is? Dove. Rich. I still not done pressing the uniform yet. I just want the PTL one. I press and then ready. Yeah. Alright, so I'm finish it. Messed up. From me, I leave my tie. Can't make nobody know which school YouTube are going to. But anyways, we're not going to know anyway, so it don't really make no sense. Right, I drop off a belt, you know. So, pops, brush me here. I know somebody kind of do the video before, but let's do it again, bro. I really too have nothing to post, but me have some collabs so far. It kind of pending because of me, you see me, and one bag of things like doing videos on the weekend. Nearline straight though, but doing videos on the weekend it draws a lot, bro. Like when I go up on the weekend, I have to study and do all kind of stuff, man. I not give all time to make videos, so I feel like say yo, when Easter forward, cause we're close to Easter, when Easter forward, I know. But when you see the video I do, Easter probably pass or so, but when Easter forward, I get the videos them. I make sure I get the video them straight. If you see like a look mark, so I bleach do this, and actually dirt, I bleach. Throw bleach powder upon it and it burn out. Unfortunately, I will pop my damn bag right now. I still look, up to now, I'm not even brush my teeth. I soon brush my teeth, bro. I'm going to brush my teeth after I'm done pop my school bag. Yeah. So, oops, we have social today, we have social test today. I'm gonna drop. I do maths already, so I'm not really care maths. I'm not sure no one. Not really care maths. This is my YouTube book. Normally I have like my YouTube stuff in it. YouTube. Yeah, I look at maths thing, but I'm actually YouTube book this. I'm gonna need this. We do Bible already. That. We do English already. When I do business, so I can't business, so I'm going to study up on it from each school. Sushi. Yeah, I know my sushi book look away. Yeah. I carry this. We know the science all know, so bless me carry science as well, so I can study on it. And this I'm actually POB writing book, so my characters, why not? And I carry them. Me buy them from my girlfriend. I'm gonna figure it today. I drop them in a bag. I hope them not crush out me. There you go, my bag actually done packing. You can tell it's 6:49, so I'm soon have to step out. I cut the camera, and by the time I don't cut it, I'm at the outside, so. Alright, so I just leave out. My camera son and not even tell me, say, yo, bro, you know put on no lotion, you know put on no perfume, nothing. I'm going to turn weird what go do that. So what you know now? When I get nothing from this morning, so I spend more than I have in my pocket right now. Because I'm going to switch over, I guess, or nothing, so I spend my money I have right now to get something to eat up, you see me, and then jump on a taxi to go to school, so yo. I might bring ads right here, so early in that video, so I want to watch the ads. I cut it right now. Okay.
The thanks that you can give somebody like that, then what would you do to regular Jamaicans? Really and truly, yo, that's
Hey father, just reaching the school, you see me? Yeah man, just reaching the school, man. So we mission for today. Fuck up, bro. I'm on the good, man. Dog, you need it for trip, dog. You let it like what it is, the curve. I'm big, just like that, bro. I'll pass them on to eat. No, if I do that time, you do the I'll fix him and fix it, bro. I'm black. Alright. started. Alright, so what you going on? Registration at school, I go talk to my woman, you see me? I'm from back, so condition forward, I turn on the camera, condition, you see me? Then normally do a little freestyle, so around them time, I turn on the back, so I get my study for social justice, you see me? Yo, I don't study because I already know social, you see me? Yo, this I go on Cuba. Naturally wake up early this morning and come here. This is the Android. You want to see the camera there? There. They are planning to drop the freestyle, but the man them say they don't want freestyle today, so look like some freestyle again at the video. I'm just drop one when they dip on my phone already. The good one. I don't know anything. I probably them say them know a freestyle and they end up freestyle today. Alright? That's the problem. You said no a freestyle today and freestyle today. Probably. So if anything, if them freestyle map me, put it in there, you see me? Dog, I saw the power social. You know, I look over back to my notes and come in and I say, oh yeah, you know everything, dog. And when one question reach me, I forget it. But yeah, I cut the video. You see girls smile, man. You want to eat them, brother?
I'm too tired. I'm not tired.
We have to do things alone.
You want to see the man teeth. You want to see girls teeth. Oh, that.
They catch up on camera?
Back on the YouTube.
Upon me,
We're back on the YouTube. Fuck running.
Are we on for YouTube?
Running, I know it's a negative the YouTube channel.
long gather.
You see a channel? What name of color?
Oh, Croft. Yeah, man.
Man, all like walk freely.
Tips, don't know. Man, I eat. Yeah, the dog. Vlog, you see me? I catch up some my little clippings in my body, so yo, grab something.
Money, she a suck on my cocky. Make money fast, you want make money that get no fisting. No fisting.
We a make money fast and we don't care about what our cat. Pussy when I can't listen, no time down. Come and watch me bum my cat dog. Money have to make. Money have to make. Yeah, we a make money every day. I have to go big pay, big niche, top fish on the street. Pussy all the time, sleep, you can't listen me. Which way you live, pussy well, me pull up your head and care everything. Put gun in your face, make you shut up. Pussy well, talk too much. Me have to make us down and then fuck your girl and then fuck her and then turn on me. Yo!
Dog, I'm a fight.
As a top me, in the street.
When this was the beat, you don't gotta force it. I just been shopping, I think I need more shit. These niggas my sons, but I shit got abortions. I've been finesse till I came up a fortune. I can't stop till I'm back in the portion. Married to money, we never divorced. Can't chill by yourself, you gon' call reinforcements.